In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a single check from QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create the check, save it properly, and print it, plus what to expect the very first time you print. Start on your QuickBooks dashboard. At the top left, click the New button, then choose Check. This opens a new check form. Take a moment to confirm you're pulling funds from the correct bank account at the top of the form, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Now enter the details of the check. Select the payee, add, or confirm the mailing address if it appears, and set the check date. Type the amount carefully and use the memo field to note what the payment is for, which can be very helpful for future reporting. In the category or item details section, assign the expense to the right account or item so your books stay accurate. If you see a check number field, you can leave it blank to be assigned at print, or type the exact number that matches your pre-printed check stock. Before moving on, review everything for accuracy: payee, bank account, date, amount, and category. When you're happy with the details, click Save at the bottom right to record the check. Immediately after saving, click Print Check at the bottom to move into printing. QuickBooks will open a print preview or a print setup window depending on your browser settings. If this is your first time printing a check here, QuickBooks will guide you through a quick setup process. This typically includes choosing your check style, like voucher checks, printing a sample page, and aligning the fields so the payee, amount, and date print in the right spots on your check stock. Follow the prompts, adjust alignment if needed, and confirm the layout looks correct. It's a good idea to use plain paper for the test prints until everything lines up perfectly with your check stock. After that initial setup, printing becomes straightforward. Load your check stock into the printer in the correct orientation, confirm the check you just saved is selected, and click Print. If the output doesn't line up, you can rerun the alignment tool from the print screen. If nothing appears in the preview, make sure your browser allows pop-ups and that the printer scale is set to 100%. That's all. You've created, saved, and printed a single check from QuickBooks. Once the setup is done, it's just save and print each time with consistent professional results.